Hello, my name is the Central Nervous System, and I'm running for office. The central nervous system is responsible for all the major functions in the body and is liable to a fault. The central nervous system, CNS, is exactly what the name implies. It is the absolute central nervous system. All of the other nerves that feed off the central nervous system are peripheral nerves. The peripheral nerves are part of the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system is composed of the brain and spinal cord, along with the nerves and organs. The end of nerves that control voluntary and involuntary acts. In other words, whose physical body processes what you do on your own, moving your arm, and those do without having to tell your body to do it, like breathing. The parts of the brain governing consciousness and mental activities are parts of the brain, spinal cord, and their sensory and motor nerve fibers, skeletal muscles, and end organs of the body wall. Your CNS is the master control center, the CEO, the commander-in-chief, the big kahuna, the master communicator, and the grand Pumbaa, all rolled into one. The brain is a large, soft mass of nerve tissue that is contained inside a vault of bone called the cranium. It is the cranium portion of the CNS. The brain is also called the encephalon. The brain is composed of neurons, nerve cells, the neuroglia, supporting nerve cells. The brain consists of gray and white matter. The gray matter is nervous tissues of a grayish color that forms an H structure and is surrounded by white matter. The central nervous system gives rise to the peripheral nerves system. The nerves of the periphery of the body. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, is under control of central nervous system and is also part of the peripheral nervous system. Although these nerves stay within the body and affect organs and soft tissues and do not leave to affect appendages, arms and legs. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, is automatic and in control of involuntary bodily functions and is divided into two parts, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. It regulates the function of glands, the adrenal medulla, smooth muscle tissue, organs, and the heart. Stanley, 2014. These are some diseases that can affect me as the central nervous system, such as catalepsy, epilepsy, encephalitis, meningitis, migraine, etc. Some fun facts about the central nervous system. The nervous system tells your brain when you hurt or have pain. If all the neurons in a person's body were lined up, that line would stretch to a length of 600 miles. The average adult brain weighs about 1,375 grams, while the average adult female brain weighs 1,275 grams. Only 4% of the brain cells are actually used, while the rest are kept in reserve. Stanley, 2014. I'm the central nervous system, and I approve this information. Don't forget to vote. Our resources are Stanley D. 2014, November 4th, Central Nervous System. Retrieved from drstanley.com, http.
Don't worry about that part.
Dr. Stanley.
This is something you can hand in to your teacher so you can share your resources.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah.